Peter Moore's iconic Nike Dunk Low continues to showcase its enduring legacy, even 4 decades after its original debut. Though no longer a flagship performance basketball shoe, the Dunk Low retains its sport-inspired DNA with radial-patterned traction and a supportive upper, making it a favorite for everyday wear among sneaker fans and style-conscious consumers alike. Its resemblance to the Air Jordan 1 Low has also contributed to its global appeal, with countless colorways helping the silhouette remain relevant in today's diverse sneaker rotations. The newest edition, styled in green abyss and platinum tint and sail, adds a fresh take to the lineup, combining clean neutrals with vibrant accents for broad appeal. Whether you're a longtime collector or a casual wearer, this latest drop continues the model's tradition of accessible style. Official look of the pair have been released, with a launch expected on Nike.com and select retailers by the end of September.